Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews on essential products for your home and business needs. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential items for any public or commercial space, the Commercial Paper Towel Dispenser. We'll be looking at what many consider to be the best option on the market right now. This stainless steel wonder by EnBath isn't just your average paper towel dispenser. It's designed with durability and convenience in mind, making it ideal for high-traffic areas like offices, restaurants, and even healthcare facilities. Let's start with capacity. This dispenser can hold over 500 multifold or trifold hand towels or up to 400 C-fold towels, ensuring you spend less time refilling and more time focusing on what matters. Its sleek stainless steel design not only looks professional but also ensures longevity, even in the busiest environments. What sets this dispenser apart is its ease of use. It's wall-mountable, saving valuable counter space and providing easy access for everyone. Whether you're setting it up in a bustling restaurant, a busy office restroom, or even a healthcare facility, this dispenser's robust build and generous capacity make it a reliable choice. Installing the EnBath Commercial Paper Towel Dispenser is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design and included mounting hardware. Customers rave about its efficiency and durability, making it a favorite among those who value both functionality and style in their commercial spaces. So, if you're in the market for a commercial paper towel dispenser that ticks all the boxes, durability, capacity, and ease of use, look no further than the EnBath stainless steel dispenser. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that make a difference in your daily life. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Until next time, stay informed and choose wisely. See you soon.